Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the buzzer, that is, the sound speaker in the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus phone. The first thing is that the phone must be turned off. If the phone is on, we need to turn it off. Otherwise, we don't clean anything in the phone, because we could damage it. We need a brush with flexible bristles, meaning flexible, it returns to its original shape, but the bristles must be soft or medium hard, because if they're hard, they'll simply scratch your phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol, so that it first softens the dirt for you and makes it possible to clean it off, and then so that it evaporates and leaves no trace behind. You can buy these things as a set on Allegro or Amazon if you don't have them. And if you don't have them and can't buy them, you can always use a toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, because a hard one will simply scratch your phone. So, we start the process by making sure the phone is turned off. As I mentioned, we thoroughly moisten the toothbrush. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can use a cotton pad, pour a bit of alcohol on it, and dip the toothbrush in. We take the phone and hold it sideways like this. And with a single direction motion, we clean all these openings. This right here is our buzzer. So about 10 times in one direction, which means about 5 times for each opening. Let's say at least 5 times per opening, and then do the same in the other direction. Also at least 5 times for each opening. And always in one direction. The best is a one-way movement, because if you clean back and forth, the dirt will just stay in the opening and keep coming out, so the buzzer will remain dirty and won't work well. Once you've done that, you can also move it up and down a few times. If there's anything left inside, it will just come out. And do the same in the other direction. After the procedure, leave the phone for about 10 to 15 minutes so the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate, and then your phone is ready to use. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And see you in the next video.